student, I am Jayashree Vakchavre from Department of Chemistry, working as an assistant professor in chemistry. Today we discuss about the transition metal alkylidine complexes, which is helpful for MSc second year student for the subject CHI 331. Hello student, now we discuss about the transition metal alkylidine complexes. What is meant by transition metal alkylidine complexes? The organometallic compound in which transition metal atom bonded with the carbon atom by the triple bond called as the transition metal alkylidine complexes. And these transition metal alkylidine complexes were first synthesized by the scientist Fischer in 1973. Like carbene, the transition metal alkylidine complexes having two types, Fischer carbene complexes and the Schrock carbene complexes. How it is classified, Fischer and Schrock alkylidine complexes? It is depend on the nature of the carbene ligand. That is, the carbene ligand having two types, doublet carbene and quartet carbene. Now we discuss about the ligand carbene. The carbene ligand having two types, doublet carbene and the quartet carbene. Why it is called as a doublet carbene? Why it is called as a quartet carbene? This is the carbene having sp hybrid orbital, then px atomic orbital and the py atomic orbital. In that doublet carbene, the sp hybrid orbital having pair of electron and the px atomic orbital having the unpaired electron, and the py atomic orbital is the vacant atomic orbital. That is, the spin angular momentum quantum number is equal to plus half. How it is plus half? Because this is plus half and this is minus half. In sp hybrid orbital, pair of electrons are present. Therefore, spin state is 0. Why it is 0? Because it is plus half and it is minus half, and therefore it is 0. Only it is plus half because of that px atomic orbital. That is, spin angular momentum quantum number is plus half, and the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 is equal to 2, and therefore it is called as a doublet carbene. It is quartet carbene. Quartet carbene having single electrons in the sp hybrid orbital, then py atomic orbital and the px atomic orbital, and therefore the spin angular momentum quantum number is equal to 3/2, and the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 is equal to the 4, and that's why that carbene is called as a quartet carbene. And depend on that doublet carbene and quartet carbene, the transition metal alkylidine complexes having two types. When the doublet carbene forms the bond with transition metal atom, then the complex is called as a Fischer. And when the quartet carbene forms the bond with transition metal atom, then the complex is called as a Schrock transition metal complexes. Now we discuss the classification of alkylidine complexes. As we discuss, the classification of alkylidine complexes is mainly depends on the type of carbene which is formed the bond with the transition metal atom. When the transition metal atom forms the bond with doublet carbene, then it is called as the Fischer alkylidine complexes or the Fischer alkyne complexes. In the Fischer alkaline complexes, the carbon atom of the carbene group is electrophilic in nature, while in Schrock carbene it is nucleophilic in nature. In the Fischer alkylidine complexes, the central metal atom is in low valent state, and in Schrock carbene complexes it is in high valent state. In generally, the Fischer alkylidine complexes is simply called as the carbene complexes, and the Schrock alkylidine complexes are called as the alkylidine complexes. This is main important point of that topic. The Schrock carbene complexes are called as the alkylidine complexes, and the Fischer carbene complexes are called as the carbene complexes. Now we discuss the structure of the transition metal alkylidene complexes. You know that the transition metal alkylidene complexes having the metal carbon triple bond. Metal carbon triple bond means the carbon in the sp hybridization. Carbon in the sp hybridization, and that's why the metal carbon and R, this linkage having bond angle 180 degree. Because of the sp hybridization of that middle carbon atom, that linkage having the bond angle is 180 degree. And you know very well that the metal triple bond carbon bond length is very short than the metal carbon double bond and the metal carbon sigma bond. Metal carbon triple bond ची जी bond length असणार आहे ती कशी असणार आहे, कमी असणार आहे. Why? Because of that triple bond. And the transition metal from the first transition series having the bond length 165 to 175 angstrom, and the second and third transition metals from the second and third series having the bond length from 175 to 190 angstrom. This is about the structure of transition metal alkylidene complexes. Now we discuss the bonding in Fischer alkylidene complexes and the Schrock alkylidene complexes. The Fischer alkylidene complexes having doublet carbene and Schrock alkylidene complexes has quartet carbene. We discuss one by one. First we discuss for the Fischer alkylidene complexes. The Fischer alkylidene complex is having doublet carbene ligand, that is, it is a 3 electron donor. 3 electrons are available in carbene carbon, and therefore the carbene ligand is the 3 electron donor. First, the vacant hybrid orbital of the metal overlaps with the filled sp orbital. In the doublet carbene ligand, the sp hybrid orbital is the completely filled. It donates electron to the central metal atom, that is the vacant hybrid orbital of the metal atom, and forms the metal carbon sigma bond. Why this arrow is here towards the metal? Because of the carbon completely donate electrons to the metal and form the sigma bond, and that's why we written like that, metal carbon sigma bond. Then the px atomic orbital, 2 electrons are used for formation of the metal carbon sigma bond. Then 1 electron is remaining in carbene ligand in the px atomic orbital. This px atomic orbital is singly occupied. Singly occupied px atomic orbital of the doublet carbene ligand overlaps with the singly occupied d pi atomic orbital of the metal atom. This is the d pi atomic orbital of the metal atom, and this is the px atomic orbital of the carbon atom. Doublet carbene ligand forms the d pi p pi bond, and it is called as the carbon metal pi bond. It forms first sigma bond is formed, and then pi bond is formed, and the last the py atomic orbital is empty. 3 electrons are used for the formation of sigma bond and the first pi bond. Then the carbene orbital of carbene now vacant. Py atomic orbital of the carbene is vacant, and it overlaps with the filled d pi atomic orbital of the metal. Now the d pi atomic orbital of metal atom is filled, and the py atomic orbital of the carbon is empty, and it forms the metal carbon pi bond. It also called as a back bond because the metal donates back towards the electron towards the carbon atom, and that's why it is also called as the back bond. It is also called as back bond, or it is also called as a d pi p pi bond, and thus the metal carbon in Fischer alkylidene complexes forms 3 covalent bond. How much? 3 covalent bonds are formed in between the metal and carbon in the Fischer-Alkylides complexes. Now we discuss the bonding in Schrock-Alkylides complexes. Schrock-Alkylides complexes means the carbene ligand is the quartet. Quartet carbene ligand means there are 3 unpaired electrons are present in the ligand and it acts as a 3 electron donor ligand. That is, sp hybrid orbital is singly occupied, px atomic orbital of the carbene ligand is singly occupied, and the py atomic orbital of the carbene ligand is singly occupied, and they shares electron to the metal atom and forms metal carbon sigma bond, metal carbon pi bond, and metal carbon pi bond. Now we discuss in detail. This singly occupied hybrid orbital of the metal atom to singly occupied hybrid orbital overlaps with the singly occupied hybrid orbital of the carbon atom and forms the metal carbon sigma bond. Then this singly occupied d pi atomic orbital of the metal atom overlaps with the singly occupied px atomic orbital of the quartet carbene ligand, forms the metal carbon pi bond, and it is also called as a d pi p pi bond. And the singly occupied d pi atomic orbital of the metal atom overlaps with the singly occupied py atomic orbital of the carbene ligand and forms metal carbon pi bond, that is triple bond, and it is also called as a d pi p pi bond. And thus there are Schrock-Alkylides complexes having metal carbon triple bond, and these 3 bonds are the covalent bond. Today we stop here. Thank you.